Hi everyone, welcome to Me and My World YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share to others. If you are the new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all updates. And in this channel, we are trying to explain lot of topics like MS Excel and MS Word, basics of MEP and kids activities, and software courses like Tableau and general topics. So for easy access of all courses, we organized the playlist in systematic manner. Hi, today we are going to learn how to change the date format in Excel. So here in this table I explained serial number, student name and date of birth. So in the date of birth I entered the format in the number format, date, month, year. So we can use different date formats. So for first step we have to go to home ribbon. In home ribbon we can able to select the formats. We have to go there more number of formats. Here we have to select the date. So in this, if you see the type of dates, it is numeric format and the word format 14th March 2022, and there is different formats is there 14th March 21 Wednesday day, date, month and year. So if you see, we can able to select. So one of the format I am choosing now, we can see. So the 10th is the Monday and month is February 1986. So if you see, for other thing I change the format. I am selecting this date, month and year. So by using this you can able to use different date formats, which one we are required we can able to use.